In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to WooCommerce and test it properly before going live. To get started, make sure you either create a PayPal business account or sign into the one you already have. A business account is important here because it gives you access to the features needed to accept payments through your online store. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that your account is active and ready to use. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your store settings and install the tools needed for payment processing. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to your plugins area and install the WooCommerce PayPal payment plugin. This plugin creates the connection between your WooCommerce store and PayPal, allowing customers to pay securely during checkout. After the plugin is installed, activate it. Activation is what makes the plugin available inside WooCommerce, so if you skip this part, the payment settings won't appear where you need them. Now open WooCommerce, then go to Settings, and from there select Payments. This section controls all the payment methods available in your store. Find PayPal in the list and enable it. Turning it on makes PayPal available as a payment option, but there's still one more important step before it can work correctly. Go ahead and connect your PayPal account. This usually involves signing in through a secure PayPal connection window and approving access so WooCommerce can communicate with your account. Be sure to complete the connection fully and wait for confirmation, since an incomplete setup can cause checkout issues later. Before accepting real customer payments, enable sandbox mode for testing. This is a safe test environment that lets you simulate transactions without using real money. It's one of the best ways to confirm that everything is working properly before your store goes live. Once sandbox mode is enabled, place a test PayPal order on your website. Go through the checkout process just as a customer would. This helps you verify not only that PayPal appears correctly, but also that the checkout flow feels smooth and functions as expected from start to finish. After the test order is complete, confirm that the payment was recorded correctly and that the WooCommerce order appears properly in your store. Check the order status and make sure the transaction details match what you expect. This final review helps catch any setup problems before real customers experience them. When everything looks correct and your test is successful, switch from sandbox mode to live payments. At that point, your WooCommerce store will be ready to accept real PayPal transactions.